Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from your H&R Block Emerald Card in 2025. If you've got an Emerald Card from your tax refund and need to move that money quickly, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, the H&R Block Emerald Card is a prepaid debit card that's super convenient for managing your funds, especially from tax returns. In 2025, transferring money is even more streamlined with updated app features and security measures. Before you start, make sure you have your card details, a linked bank account, and access to the H&R Block mobile app or website. Oh, and keep an eye out for any potential fees. Always check the latest terms. Step 1. Download or open the H&R Block app on your smartphone, or head to their website on your computer. Log in using your secure credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do that first. It's quick and easy. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section. This is usually found in the main menu. Select your Emerald Card as the source account. Step 3. Choose your destination. You can transfer to a linked bank account, another debit card, or even use services like PayPal if available in 2025. Enter the amount you want to transfer and double-check for accuracy. Step 4. Review the details, including any transfer fees and estimated arrival time. In 2025, expect faster processing with new tech integrations. Hit Confirm and follow any additional verification steps, like a PIN or two-factor authentication, to keep your money safe. A quick tip: always transfer during business hours to avoid delays, and monitor your accounts afterward to ensure everything went smoothly. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from your H&R Block Emerald Card in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay smart with your money. See you next time.